Hi everyone, in this video we'll review the company and the stock of Rocket Companies. We'll share all you need to know about them and their latest news involving a lawsuit against the company. We'll also take a look at the company's valuation metrics and its financials. Rocket Companies traded on New York Stock Exchange with ticker symbol RKT as a Detroit-based holding company consisting of personal finance and consumer service brands. It provides industry-leading real estate, mortgage, and financial services through their various entities including Rocket Homes, Rocket Auto, and Rocket Mortgage as the US largest mortgage lender. Since 1985, they have helped clients in the US with their dream of home ownership. In the last 12 months, as of Q1 of 2021, the company had $372 billion in mortgage originations, $19 billion in net total revenue, and a 91% net client retention rate. Rocket is in the business of mortgage origination by borrowing money from lenders and then lending it out to borrowers at higher rates and profiting from the spread in between. This whole process is done entirely online and is highly effective and efficient. Rocket Companies doesn't also have the traditional brick and mortar space, which greatly helps them with their margins and allows them to focus on adding value to the customer. What's more, the focus on customer service has been at the center of Rocket Company's strategy. In fact, they lead the industry for customer satisfaction according to J.D. Power, ahead of big names such as Bank of America, Chase, and Citibank. Rocket Company's frequent communication has been cited as a major factor in their ranking. In fact, Rocket Mortgage by Quicken Loans ranked as the highest in mortgage origination satisfaction for an 11th consecutive year. Just impressive. Since its IPO, Rocket has been a roller coaster, largely due to the fact that Reddit chat rooms seem to have taken a liking to the stock. Rocket has a 52-week high at $43, but at the time of this video, it closed its trading at $17.33, which is closer to its 52-week low price of $16.22. With over 65% of Americans owning at least one home and about 0.5% population growth for the US, it is safe to assume that the home ownership cultural trend could continue. Looking at the company's income statement, they have been steadily growing their revenue over the past several years, and they are also showing a trailing 12 months net income of $321 million, which is the highest in recent years. As for their balance sheet, the current assets and total assets for Rocket Companies well surpass their current liabilities and total liabilities respectively, which all are healthy signs. Rocket Companies has a stable return on invested capital of 19%, and the cash flow has increased from 1.3% in 2009 to 8.7% by the end of 2020, which jives well with their price to earnings ratio standing at an attractive level of less than 7, which implies there's a fair degree of value to be had here, especially if you compare it to the price to earnings multiple of the sector median. The company is being traded at a forward price to sales multiple of 0.12 compared to the sector median multiple of 3.25. Forward price to sales multiple is calculated based on the last closing price divided by next fiscal year's consensus revenue per share estimate. In terms of the latest news, it is worth mentioning that there is currently a securities fraud class action lawsuit filed against Rocket Companies for making false and/or misleading a statement and/or failing to disclose that Rocket's gain on sale margins were contracting at the highest rate in 2 years as a result of increased competition among mortgage lenders. A link to the lawsuit is provided in the description of the video along with other video sources for more information. Do you currently own shares of Rocket Companies? If yes, let us know below how many shares of RKT you own. And if not, what are your thoughts of this company and its potential in the real estate market? If you'd like to learn more about investing in the stock market and following the latest news about hot stocks including penny stocks, growth stocks, ETF investing, and dividend stocks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Here on Momentum Finance, we post several videos every week about investing and financial freedom. I appreciate it if you can give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you next time.